Assalamualaikum. Today I will have for you chicken chow mein, better than takeout. Come and join me. First we do our sauce. Soy sauce, vegetarian oyster sauce, sesame oil, lemon juice. Mix it well and set aside. In boiling water, we will boil our noodles for around 1 minute and drain. In our hot wok, we sear our chicken first. Now we set it aside. Now we put our onions, mushroom, now our carrots and celery, cabbage, our boiled noodles in, chicken, sauce, some spring onion, our chicken chow mein, guys, better than takeout. Enjoy. Try it at home.